look at what we have here. Walt Disney! Yes, 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 yes! Yes, 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 the man of the hour. What is she doing? What are you doing?
I was thinking.
Oh, you were thinking the Eye or the Wax Museum. There's a lot of great places to eat. Carrabba's, Shake Shack, which I've never been. That looks pretty cool. Lots of places to eat down here. Buffalo Wild Wings. Ooh, Mediterranean Grill. There's the Eye over there. You want to ride a train? You can ride a train. He looks so excited. Woo! You could go to the Skeleton Museum here too. Here's where you can catch a train on the train station that we just saw. And the Batmobile is over here. We saw this last time. We actually did get to come down to Sea Life Orlando just recently. If you want to sit on some fake grass, you can sit on some fake grass. But yeah, there's the Batmobile. Oh, this train's gonna run me over! Pretty cool. Find your iconic moment. Sea Life icon. That's called the Orlando Eye. No one knew. Coca-Cola. Well, does Coca-Cola sponsor it? I don't know. It used to be called the Coca-Cola Eye. Oh, there's Leap of Faith. Hi! So over there is Sea Life, which we have gone into once, and we'll probably make a video of it. It's not super big, but it's great for kids. It's great for a rainy day. We have not done this. I'm sure that costs some money. Money, money, money. But we're about to go and chill out with the madam today. What? We're partying with Pitbull. What? Hey, I want a picture with...
It's actually really creepy. It's so realistic.
He looks so realistic. What's up? Oh my god, like he really looks real. What if he just moved?
I think it would.
Yo, I think he's real. Is he breathing? He looks really real, guys. Tell me he doesn't look real.
Is he really that tall? I thought he'd be tall.
He looks really... apparently there's smoke coming out of the cannon. So the guy who, invented Florida is here. What? Ponce de Leon. One Ponce de Leon. What's up, Abe? Abe? Oh, look. Wait, I gotta get a picture. So they have props where you can like dress up with the characters. That's new from the last time I went to a wax museum. Okay, I got it. The guy who first walked on the moon. Very good. At least someone knew who he was. And look at what we have here. Walt Disney! Yes! Yes, 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 yes! Yes, 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 the man of the hour. What is she doing? What are you doing?
I was thinking.
Oh, you were thanking him. Okay. Oh, pretty good.
Jaden!
Thanks, Thomas Edison. You can do it. I have faith. I have faith in her.
He lit up my life.
He lit up your life. I have faith. Oh, she's doing good. She's gonna give me much joy. This is intense. And she's coming around the corner. Jaden, stay away. Don't touch. Don't touch it. Oh, tricky. Tricky. It's tricky. Ooh. Oh. I didn't touch it. I guess that's it. Oh. So you could the cool signs, and you can even put this hat on. That says I love science. You don't have to hold one if you don't want to. water. Hydrogen. Hydrogen. Noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup with the soda on the side. Chicken noodle. Oh, you want me to take a picture? Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. Hello, Steve.
This is the iPhone 8. We've never seen it before. Look at it. It's amazing. Look at it. Wow.
He's amazed. He's smiling. I feel like he's smiling. Madame, why do you look so sad? This is your museum. You should not be so sad. Here, Beckham, if you need someone to cut your hair, let me know. I'll cut it. He's real. Ah! Ding, 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 ding. Hey, Serena. Are you gonna dunk on Shaq? I doubt. Oh, she's.
Look, they even did.
Oh, you missed it again.
They did.
Oh, missed it again. Oh, you got it in. Shaq, why didn't you block it? Oh, you can really play golf. Oh, Lord. Uh-oh. I'm scared. Really? Yay! A hole in 20! Yes! Oh my gosh. Jade. Video! Okay. Jimmy. She works for Jimmy. In a roundabout way.
This is the place to be.
Live from New York. It's...
No,
Wait.
that's not it.
My bad, Jimmy. My bad, Jimmy. Let's get a picture. Cut. You get a house. You get a house. This is trash. Look how cool this is back here. This is amazing. It's Wonder Woman. Oh my gosh, can you believe I still haven't seen this movie?
Can she come to life? I really love Gal Gadot.
For
Why don't you
real?
just come out the door?
I feel like this is like old MGM backlot tour here. Get in. Get in, babe. Ooh, I'm getting scared. What? Superman. Oh, it's so dark. Oh, there's Batman. Why is it so dark? Whoa.
That scared me.
That is so cool. So each one of these things does something different. Like this one you call. Over here, if all of you guys lift up, it'll take your picture. That's so cool. Oh, here goes. Joy's gonna do it. What? Oh my gosh. We just called Batman. What? Oh, he's coming. Yay. So big. Oh my gosh, I love them. Shrek and Princess Fiona. They're super huge. So I love it. All these. You can. You have props. You can put on this jacket. And there's, look, Grease Lightning props. Grease Lightning props. Oh, the dinosaur is loose. He's nowhere to be found, but I see E.T. Can you phone home? Pull up, son. We're just chilling with all the stars. Just chilling with Will by the fire. Chilling. Where's Jada? Where's Jada? Brad, why are you so close to your ex-wife? Oh, y'all got your backs turned to each other. I see what's going on. So much fun. We had a blast. And look, you can make a collector medallion. $5 each or 3 for $10. You can make a collectible penny here.
for a penny.
Look at those ice cream sandwiches. Oof. Minty goodness, bananas, Foster's. Oof. Oh my gosh. Oof. Ooh, it looks so good. Look at that. World. Oh my, $99. Look at that. King Kong Sundae, $99. 24 scoops of ice cream. That's crazy. This is the Sugar Factory by the Orlando Eye. Super cool. We're gonna go inside and check it out. Lots of candy inside the Sugar Factory. It doesn't? It smells like just candy. Like sugar. Coconut hot chocolate. Ooh, a lot of cool. Oh my, ew, if you got sweet tooth, you can get like anything. Oh, look at all the famous people that's been here. I wonder if it's this one. I know. Huh. Alright, so I guess this is it for my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And remember that every day is a gift, so have faith and share the joy.